Battery renewal. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell. Release the secondary catch under the bonnet. Open the bonnet and secure it with the bonnet prop. Pull the rubber seal from the engine compartment bulkhead. Mark the position of the wiper blades, then remove the windscreen wiper arms. Disconnect the hose from the windscreen washer nozzle. Undo the screws at each end of the water deflector, remove the cable cover and unclip the cables. Then pull the deflector from the base of the windscreen. Disconnect the leads at the negative terminal first by unscrewing the retaining nut and removing the terminal clamp. Disconnect the leads at the positive terminal by unscrewing the retaining nut and removing the terminal clamp. On the inner side of the battery, slacken the bolt and slide the retaining clamp away from the battery. Then carefully lift the battery from its location and remove it from the vehicle. Make sure the battery is kept upright at all times. Fit the new battery into its compartment. Then position and tighten the battery clamp plate. Fit the terminal cover adapter, then reconnect the positive terminal first. Followed by the negative terminal. Smear petroleum jelly on the terminals after reconnecting the leads, as this helps to reduce corrosion. Fit the rain deflector back onto the bulkhead and secure it by refitting the screws at each end. Then reconnect the windscreen washer tube. Clip the battery cables back into position, then fit the cover back over the battery cables. Refit the bulkhead rubber seal strip. Then refit the wiper arms and blades, and remove the position marking tape from the windscreen.